Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's Crypto Market Update for December 7th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. The market cap has gone down to 107 billion, meaning that 13 billion has come out in the market in the last 24 hours, and the volume has been 17 billion US dollars. BTC dominance has risen to 55%. Now, let's look what's going on. As you can see, Bitcoin is now hovering at 3,400, but in last night it was doing around 3,300. So it's down 10% for the day. More importantly, if we look at the other altcoins, they have got enormous hits basically. Ethereum, for the first time again we can see double digits in Ethereum. It's now $85. It's down 16%. Stellar also 16% down, doing 11 cents. And if we look down, EOS is doing $1.72, being hit 21%. Enormous. So Tether, as you can see, is exactly at 1 right now, and has come because of the other coins declining to a number 6 position in the top 10. If we look even further down, we can see Litecoin down 12%, Cardano 15%, Monero, Binance Coin also big hit, 20% down. It is just an enormous bloodbath basically. Okay, so let's look at what has gone a little bit up. So we can see here Bitcoin SV 18% up, Oxy Network 13% up, and Linky 2% up. And of course then we get some stable coins, but you know, they are not really in the game for gains or losses. So if we look at the losses, we can see Factum down 33%, Polymed down 27%, EOS down 25%, Eternity down 22%. It's absolutely a red day in crypto. Let's continue to the chart. We can see basically out of here that this is Bitcoin on Bitstamp, that it's now doing around 33.41. But if we look at the wick down, we can see basically it is been touching 3,300 basically in the last couple of hours. If you look at the RSI is oversold, but not that much as we've seen last week. Basically, in November, the last 2 weeks, we could see really oversold. So there is still scope to go more down. We don't know. I know that there is a resistance line at the 3,200 level. Let's see if this is going to rebound very soon or not. All right, so the next news item comes from the SEC. They delayed the FNAC SolidX Bitcoin ETF. Surprise, surprise. They are going to reconsider everything on February 27th, 2019. So it's a good 2.5 months from us where the SEC will take a decision on this ETF, which is very promising to begin with. All right, then the last news comes from Bill Gates. Bill Gates says that the digital currency will help the poor. Bill Gates, the owner of Microsoft, and he's nowadays also a philanthropist, is basically saying that the technology, digital technology, means to empower the poorest in the world, is basically one of the things which will be happening. And Bill Gates has been also at times in interviews in 2014, for example, with Bloomberg, that Bitcoin is better than currency as it is physically right now. So he's given, quite some positive strokes over the years about cryptos in general, and let's see how this is going to roll. All right, this is the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one.